Here's a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder, thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, electronic shift on the fly, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book reports a large upward sloping grille and 2 large headlight housings convey toughness, but for the most part the latest Pathfinder projects a friendly image. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Nissan of Norfolk, we have a wide variety of new and used cars, Nissan incentives, service specials, and Nissan part savings. We're located in Norfolk, Virginia, and proudly serve the areas of Virginia Beach and Newport News.